Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever tried to build a new habit and found yourself struggling to stay consistent, you're not alone. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple, proven framework to help you create lasting habits. It's based on the 4 laws of behavior change from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. So let's dive in. Law number 1, make it obvious. First up, the first law is all about making your cues obvious. A cue is the thing that triggers your habit. The more visible the cue is, the more likely you'll do the behavior if you want to drink more water. To make the cue obvious, simply leave a water bottle on your desk or somewhere you'll see it regularly. Every time you look at it, it'll remind you to drink. And that's your first step in building the habit. Law number 2, make it attractive. It is about making your habit attractive. It's easier to do something when it's paired with something you enjoy. This is all about creating a craving for the behavior. If you're trying to get into the habit of exercising, you might find it hard to motivate yourself to work out every day. But what if you paired it with something you love, like listening to your favorite podcast or music while you work out? Suddenly, the workout becomes more attractive and you'll look forward to it. Law number 3, make it easy. Law number 3 is all about making the habit easy. The easier something is, the more likely you are to stick with it. You want to read more books, but you're not sure where to start. Instead of saying, I'm going to read for an hour every day, try starting with just 2 minutes a day. That's right, 2 minutes. Once you've started, you'll naturally find yourself reading more, and that easy start becomes the foundation for the habit. Law number 4, make it satisfying. And finally, law number 4, make it satisfying. When a habit is rewarding in some way, we're more likely to repeat it. The key here is immediate gratification. After a workout, you might reward yourself with something satisfying, like a nice shower or a healthy snack. This immediate reward will make the habit feel good, and you'll be more likely to do it again tomorrow. If you start applying these laws, I promise you'll see a real change in your ability to build habits that stick. It's all about designing your environment and routine in a way that makes good habits feel almost automatic. If you start applying these laws, I promise you'll see a real change in your ability to build habits that stick. It's all about designing your environment and routine in a way that makes good habits feel almost automatic. Now I want to hear from you. What habit are you trying to build? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about how you can apply these laws to make it easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building good habits and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.